Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to do the simplest appearing and disappearing trick. So we are going to do a one take shot that involves two scenes. So the first scene, we are getting an empty frame right now. Just shoot an empty frame, then you go on this on the screen. You get yourself ready. Chelsea, start action.
Action.
So that's it. We are going to leave the scene now for us to achieve the disappearing effect. I've already achieved the appearing effect. So we have to walk out of the scene and also get an empty background. So now we are going to show you how we appeared. Her own this action, she's active, but we are going to appear while she's active, while she's still sweeping the distant death, but we're going to appear while she's still active. So this is how we achieve this particular scene. On action, you start sweeping. Don't move, just stay there and be doing it. Freeze. Don't continue on anything else. You started me now. So we will appear here now. We say action. On action, she whatever she do. Then you do as if you're noticing something, but don't look at me. Don't try. Action. Please. So on action now, you get like you look back and action. Then get more killing Melania, get more hidden. Please. I will appear again. We put appear again. Just hold her now, and we'll disappear together. Oh yeah. Let's leave this. Put up. That's it. So by now, with this empty frame, now we'll not do the disappearance. Everybody will just vanish. So how we achieve the whole at this particular scene. So all you have to do is just take it to any of your editing app you're using, Premiere Pro, KineMaster for Android or whatever app you're using. Just cut the method, the patch, shattered freeze and everything. I will show you. Then add some magic effect to distract the audience from all the calls that we did in this particular scene. Let's go.
Hello guys, my name is Oje Miracle.
Is that what? So this is the extra shot we are taking. Action. So again. Action.